Hi friends, let me show you this new key holder, rustic finish that I received for reviewing purposes. It comes really nicely packed. Let me show you. It will allow you to organize keys, small flower pots, correspondence, envelopes, whatever you want to organize in your home. Okay, we are going to put it together. It comes all the parts you need, installation accessories, even a screwdriver, okay, and this guide to help you put the screws, to mark the screws in the wall that you will need to install it, okay? It won't scratch this part. Let's try it. Hi friends, as you can see, we put our correspondence and key holder here in the entrance of our office. And this is a great place because we have all our office's keys here. So we can have them, display more nicely here. You can put whatever you want to hang to organize. If you put it in your home, you could use it for dog leashes, for purses, for keys, of course, as these ones, okay? Anything that you need to hang. And in this part, you can use it to put some correspondence, even some other things like this candle, or, well, I don't know, small things like this. Whatever you think it's useful, whatever you need to put in your office, in your home, in your main entrance, so you can organize better your keys, your letters, your correspondence, or some other nice small things that you want to put there. So it's a really, really nice rustic key holder and correspondence. Thank you.